Hey guys, the horse stance, as I've mentioned before in previous video, is excellent if you're trying to achieve your middle split or side split. So even though it is a great exercise on its own to use for that, it can always use a little bit of help. You generally wouldn't want to widen your horse stance until you're able to go deep enough to cause it to be widened. So you generally want to be 90 degrees or over 90 degrees at the knee bend if you're going to try and go wider. So to help with that, you can use a little bit of weight. So what we do is we get into our horse stance as before. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, say, to start with. And if you're in your horse stance, that's perfect. From there, you can grab a little bit of extra weight. So I'm just using 2 7.5 kilo dumbbells up, and as the dumbbell arrives back, I'm at the bottom of the squat. So this will help you go deeper with that extra little bit of weight on the bottom and out of the squat. So there's 8 reps, and I'm already deeper. So what I would do then is go out a little bit further, 1, 2 steps, whatever you're sort of comfortable with, and I would repeat this process again. So into my horse stance, so I can see whereabouts I'm at, and then again grab the weights down. So making sure to let it arrive at the bottom of the squat. And again, another little retest at the end, and again, slightly deeper. Now that was a 7-step out, and I would work, that's my position for working at the moment. So I would like to be a little bit deeper before I go wider. And you can tell it's a relatively taxing exercise to do. But as I say, if splits is your goal, this is an excellent exercise to add in to your side split training. So give it a go and let me know what you think.